Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video today. I went and saw Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So I did this look and it was literally, I just looked at my palette and just came up with this look because we had to go. We were on a time schedule and I literally just put it together like poof. After I was done, I was like, oh my gosh, this looks really good. So then I posted it to a couple groups that I'm in because I get feedback from them. Everybody loved it, like loved it. So I'm like, I'm going to do a video on it because if so many people like it, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And that you guys can get this wearable, glitter, iridescent accent of a blue, like a little bit of blue look. So I used a couple shades from Elsa's Frozen 2 collection by Colourpop. And I used the So Jaded palette, also by Colourpop. I love Colourpop. I love Colourpop. With Kathleen lights and Colourpop. So before we get into it, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me that you guys are helping me grow and you guys just help me know that I'm doing well and that this is absolutely what I love to do. And if you guys like me and my videos, hit that notification bell so to let you guys know when my next video is. So let's get into this look, you guys. So first I'm going to go into the Frozen, gorgeous Elsa Frozen palette. And I'm going to go in with my JH42 highlighting brush. And I'm going to go into Cuddle Close, which is this pinky, iridescent, beautiful shimmer shade. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Oh, yes. We're starting off to a good start already. And then I'm going to get my inner corner just a little bit with this shade. I'm just going to get my inner lid and just carve my lid out a little bit. See? Gorgeous. And then I'm going to go in with my JH39 inner corner highlight. And I'm going to also go in with Cuddle Close again, which is this beautiful iridescent pinky white shade, and just get that inner corner. Yes. And then I closed this up and I'm going to go into the So Jaded palette, but I will be back in this palette to use that gorgeous glitter in there. So going in with the So Jaded palette, go into Royal Jewels, which is this kind of like, it's a really good transition-y, slightly peach. And I went light because the main star attraction is that the blue and glitter. So I just wanted to lightly have some depth in my crease, just lightly. And I'm sorry, I went in with my JH32, one of the many blending brushes that I just got that I'm obsessed with. And then I'm gonna go into Rose Quartz and just lightly go in with that because the main attraction is going to be, and I'm just tapping off the excess, is going to be the glitter and the sapphire on the outer corners. And basically that's just for some depth, to just put some depth to my eye. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do to the crease. That is it. So, and as I did my crease, I did my outer lid as well to get a transition shade started because you don't want to just put that sapphire on there right away. It'll look splotchy and just, it won't look as good. It won't look as good. Then I'm going to go lightly into ametrine. Sorry. I'm going to go into that. And then I'm just lightly putting that on my outer lid so that this sapphire will have something to grab onto. So now I'm going to go into Sapphire, which is this dark blue, which reminds me of like the Star Wars night sky. And I'm just going to lightly tap for my outer corner. Go in there again. Kind of like tapped off that excess because I was afraid to fall out. There we go. You basically want to build until you get it to the intensity that you want it to be. And I like that intensity, so I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to take the JH33 and I'm just going to blend where that blue starts, because it's going to blend in with some glitter and gorgeous iridescentness, if that's even a word. But yeah, if your blue looks way too harsh, then you just need to blend it. That's it. And then I'm going to take my JH41 flat shader lid brush and I'm going to go into Pearl and go put that on my lid, on my inner lid, not my outer lid. Connect that to the blue a little bit. Then I'm going to pop my finger on Diamond, which is this gorgeous iridescent super shock shadow. And that makes it look like wet. I'm going to go back into the Elsa palette. I'm going to pop my finger on Flurry, which is this gorgeous glitter shade right here. So frosty. Ooh, so pretty. If you get any fallout, because you will with glitter, you just, that's it. So then I went back into my So Jaded palette and I was like, let's add some little stars. So I put Opal in there. So I'm going to pop my finger on it and I'm going to put Opal on a little bit on my inner lid. Just add some extra glitter. It just reminds me of stars. And I also put it on the blue for stars in the sky. I took my blending brush, which is my JH30, and I just blended in the glitter in with the blue. Because you don't want it to take away from the blue. And that is how I did my Star Wars look. Like, it was super, super simple. So I'm going to do my liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. That is the final look. I topped it off with the Frozen Elsa Mythic Journey gloss. Because when I went, I just put on some chapstick and mascara. So this time I added my lashes and some gloss. And to intensify, I just want to let you guys know, because it looks a little different than when I went off camera. To intensify it a little bit more, I went back into Sapphire over the glitter just a little bit, and I took the JH30 and I took the tip of it and I went into Sapphire and I just tapped in the blue to get that extra blue night sky pigment that I wanted. So you guys can do this look any way that you want to, make it your own, but that's what I did. So I didn't want you to be like, hey, her eyes are a little different. So guys, I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you guys and you guys love it because it was very simple to do. And if you guys have any questions, just go down in the comments and ask. And also in the comments, let me know what you guys thought about this look, if you guys are excited to try it. I just love talking to you guys. So I try to, whenever you guys comment, I try to get in there and comment back. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. And if you guys liked this tutorial and this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you guys like how I'm doing and that I'm doing well. Hopefully I'm doing well. And guys, hit that notification bell so you guys know when my next video is. I love you guys so, so very much.